fucking busy out there. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Not without a purpose and it's not without a fight. Got 3 tears to tell you, so please sit tight. It's the story of 3 underdogs who've grown to see the light. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Let's go! Let's go! Been away for far too long. You're on my mind, get your picture and I stare at all the time. Minutes turn to hours into days and it's passing by. It feels all the same. The lights echo talk, back up the PA. Walk up the stairs, there's one again. Just to make a stage. Not without a purpose and it's not without a fight. Spirit was surrounded by the fire city lights. Keep it right together, we might make another night. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Oh! Johnny Rio, tell Eindhoven your story. I started as a pure believer, now I own my child as a pretty girl. The civil war broken out. Someday I am worker, leaving breath behind us to be waiting for the kind of work a fragile heart. That wasn't the truth. Eyes are open wide. Yes, the possibility, no, I won't be hard. Now without a purpose and it's not without a fight. My mother put the caught up in a title fight. Don't believe in Jesus, but I pray to God tonight. Now without a purpose, not without a fight. I know man! Let me fucking see you! Put 'em up! Come on! Never give up, never give in, never walk away, I'm always fighting. Never give up, never give in, never walk away, I'm always fighting, always fighting, always fighting. Been away for far too long, you're on my mind, that's a picture and I stare at all the time. Minutes turn to hours, hours into days, and it seems to pass by, it feels all the same. Not without a purpose and it's not without a fight. Spirit surrounded by the fire city lights. Keep it right together, we make another night. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Not without a purpose and it's not without a fight. I'm spirit surrounded by the fire city lights. Keep it right together, we make another night. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Not without a purpose, not without a fight. Not without a purpose, not without a fight.
from Boston, Massachusetts. Give it up to all of you fine people coming out. This is probably one of the greatest fucking festivals for the whole year around. And we're really, really grateful and honored that these guys asked us to be here this year. Give it up for Sound of Revolution Festival, everybody!
So, this fucking festival is packed with a ton of people. So, what I want to ask for respectively, because my mother raised a good boy with good manners, you know, to ask nicely. Because in the Street Dogs, we love the Netherlands. Last time we were here, we were over at the Blue Collar Hotel. We played a show a couple years over there. Who was at that show? Yeah? So on this next song, this one's for Chicken Man and a lot of other people who are gone too soon. Let me see some movement out there. You alone, Eindhoven! Go! Color, class, and fear never get us anywhere.
and fuck Donald Trump.
Political men, ignorance lies, all company smart. GOP, 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 GOP. You're full of shit, 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 shit. Looking for a job in a mob for one. Cut me down, name and number. Can't get taken in bitch with no subway talk. Oh no, I can't find a job. GOP, 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 GOP. You're full of shit, 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 shit. GOP, 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 GOP. You're full of shit, 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 shit. Supreme Court fix, dirty six, down my class, kick our ass. Money your name, control your game, masturbate, that's it. GOP, GOP, GOP. You're full of shit, 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 shit. How did it do it? Nobody will. Spit us up, lie about you. And if it's ever such a state of factory, left, right, left. GOP, 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 GOP. You're full of shit, 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 shit. GOP, 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 GOP. You're full of shit, 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 GOP, you're full of shit, 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 GOP, you're full of shit, 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 shit. Never trust a politician. How many people are drinking tonight? How many people are gonna start drinking really soon, if you haven't started already? Who's gonna drink later? In the Street Dogs, once you're a street dog, you're a street dog for life. And this next song we're gonna dedicate to our brother, our friend, Toby Bean, okay? How many of you know Toby? You know Toby? So, like most of you, Toby has a drinking problem. So it's real easy to sing along on this one, okay? So, can you guys do it? Can you sing along on this one?
Sing it fucking loud, Eindhoven! This one is called Toby's Got a Drinking Problem. Let's fucking go!
Let me see it! Had our ups, downs, and their throwdowns. He is the center of attention at their party time. But that end is forevermore. When does that fall crash? Come on, sing it! Let's go! Every late night drinking tea. Left from everybody to show the last to go. A bad reputation grew till everybody knew. Come on, sing it! The drinking problem. You know, earlier, I had this feeling like I had a frog. Like I had a frog stuck in my throat. When I was doing one of the newest songs, and it was sort of like, but now I'm feeling better. I want to thank each and every one of you for coming out to the show. Give it up for yourselves, Eindhoven! This next song is about the struggle. We all have. A lot of us have a bunch of divergent paths inside of them. It's difficult to choose the right one, and sometimes it takes a long, long time. Sometimes 48 years. It's a song called Free.
Search for clarity. I have wrestled with the past very deep inside me. I lost some rounds, been knocked around, felt my share of defeat. Yet somehow I've always managed to get back on my feet. The world keeps telling me to get a grip around the last. Gotta break away from solitude or let go of my past. I've never found it easy. Change my stubborn ways. Put it in perspective. Throw away those soulless days. We have struggled. We have prayed. We're still searching for something more. We have struggled. We still pray. We're looking for the chance to be free. Our music is a shelter where we know we're not alone. We sing the words of our favorite songs. They bring us home. Find a little comfort, a little peace of mind. Say goodbye to being left out. And don't fret, please come on in. We have struggled. We have prayed. We're still searching for something more. We have struggled. We still pray. We're looking for the chance to be free. Eindhoven, come sing with me. Go slow, young man. Go slow, young girl. Grow strong, young man. Grow strong, young girl. All of my life I searched for clarity. I still wrestle with the demons inside me. We have struggled. We have prayed. Are you still searching for something more? We have struggled. We still pray. We're looking for the chance to be free. To be free. Because you gotta hold on to your dreams. It's not as easy as it seems. You gotta fight to be free. You gotta stay free. Stay alive, you say. Don't give up. Stay free. Thank you. Thank you very much. Well, thank you kindly.
So we just got a few more songs again. We want to thank you so much for having us out, and the Sound Revolution Fest for having us. It's going to be a great fucking 3 days of hardcore punk rock music in this very hall. Give it up to the spirit of punk rock and hardcore, everybody. We're going to send this one out to my old friend Arno Kromak.
This is an old school one. This one's going out to the Red Sox and Arno. In defense of Dorchester! Staring down to the grove up on Indian Hills. See the skyline fitted with triple deckers and gin mill. Years up top, but pass me by. Effect on faces that have gone by. Adam's corner embedded in my soul. In defense of Dorchester. Home to 1,000 teams and big town legends. In defense of Dorchester. Historical reverential cemented her song. Gather up my thoughts, roll to the observation field. I think about the detectives when I'm with her, I put anger. I can't help but sing for her. I know I catch pressure when she is hurt. Can't forget that name. In defense of Dorchester. Real community that I don't think of. Dorchester. What's a life for no reason? Let's go! Let's see if you can sing. Because God knows I need all the fucking help I can get. You ready, Eindhoven? Everybody in the bleachers, the rafters, everybody on the floor. Sing this with me. Hey, ho, let's go. 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 All right. Pretty good. I'll take what I can get. This is a Big Pit song. The hurricane song, a tornado song. Just go fucking crazy, dance however you want. Or not. This is who I am. This is where I'm from. Gonna wear it on my sleeve. So pretty to me. Dorchester, home to 1,000 dreams and big town legends. In defense of Dorchester, no matter where the streets are slow, always set it on. it a short time, my heart it makes my home. Wanna go back to the world, back to my girl, back to my family beach. Have to go and see that one again. One minute to end, all my time is due. See many of firefights since we deployed out there. They're entitled to survive with my friends, their focus is training in fear. But the odds on me, I don't get hit in that body with hooks like a door to red. Gonna make it a short timer, my heart it begs for home. Wanna go back to the world, back to my girl, back to my family years. Have to go and see that town again. One minute to it, all my time is low. I'm a policy maker, just one in order taker, doing my best to make it. I'm gonna make it, just going through soon, but some days still lie ahead. Wanna go back to the world, back to my girl, back to my family and kids. I could go see that town again, walk my life to end, before my time is due. Wanna go back, to turn back. Wanna go back, back to the world again.
Alright, this is a Boston hardcore song. Let's go.
Go on tonight, get it up. Big night, big night. Put your hand on that bag. Big night, big night. Don't give up my family. Big night, big night. It's better than to get to bed. Big night, big night. Don't give a damn about the Twitter. We're up on it, I'm I learned from reality. Like pushing me, pushing folks, I feel alive. Big night, big night. My body's committed to the side. Big night, big night. I don't make that alcohol. Big night, big night. I'm living inside a real house. Big night, big night. Don't give a damn about the Twitter. We're going to my reality. In my poison and Rudy says, hey, Chris Starr, you were thinking about your thing that well. Let's go, motherfucker.
I live my life for area, disorder, pain, and misery. Don't say a word, I'm not dead. I'm gone, goodbye, that's all. Alright, I'm hoping you've been fucking amazing. We've been the Street Dogs. We'll see you next time. It's our last one.
We're gonna get some cheap love from the best fans in the whole fucking world. Sing this after me, please. Ole, 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 ole. Ole, 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 ole. This is another day's uplift of paintbrush. I was searching on without work. never privy to pop. Disco Duck. Walls, this one goes out to you. This is an ode to a man who's been so like in the fight. Never getting counted out at all. No attacking from my side. No need you to him is clear. Knows just what to say. Can he walk to find you right up to his passion day? Oh! Hey! Go! I need some help in a lot of different ways. Oh! They kick at your front door. How you gonna go with your hand on your head or the trigger of your gun? When the Lord, how you gonna go? Shot down on the pavement. Oh wait a minute, death row. You can crush us, you can bruise us, you can even shoot us. Sing it louder. Feels good, and your life is like it well. Surely a time will come, as in heaven, as in hell. See, they know no mercy. They caught it with a gun. Goodbye to the blood Mariah. Goodbye to the Mexican sun. You can crush us, you can bruise us, you can even shoot us. Sir. I know that. Guns are racing. Louder! Guns are racing. Sing it! Guns are racing. Into those lonely days I'm lonely with the paintbrush. I was sorted on with that work.